I waited entirely too long to teach my puppy to walk on a leash. I'm spoiled. We have a doggy door from our living room to our back. We have a big old lot, so we have a back area that's just for the puppies. And I didn't teach Puppy how to walk on a leash. So now that's what I'm trying to do. And I think the footage will speak for itself, especially that first GoPro footage on her. We'll see. Just a bit of Texie dust. Oh. Puppy vision activate! Okay, we're gonna go try something else. Come here. Puppy test 2. Shall we go for a walk? Come on. Go for a walk. Come on. Hello. We don't go into people's yards. Nope, nope, nope. Whole new world has opened up to you, huh? I bet you let me put that harness on you real easy next time. So obviously I didn't wait until my puppy was a year old to take her on walks. She went to downtown Nashville with us and stayed in the hotel. She's been on many walks on a leash. And for not doing it consistently her first year, this was a very good walk. Like, she's such a good girl. I say that. No one else in my family says that. But, you know, she's my baby, so she's good only for mommy. So I'm happy to have a big old sweet girl with them big blue eyes. I love my girl. My belle Evangeline. Oh, how she shines. Whoa! She saw something she didn't like. Oh. The dog's inside. My belle Evangeline. Oh, how she shines. Yes, trash cans are very interesting smells. Oh my goodness. We hit the lottery when it comes to smells. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooey, ooey.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!